Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you one of the ways that I make my salad. This recipe is so delicious and it's so easy to make that anyone can do it. Now let's get to the recipe. Firstly, I'm going to wash and peel the carrot, and I'm going to cut the carrot in little cubes. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel because we are reaching 20k subscribers soon. Now I'm going to do the same with the cucumber. I'm going to slice it in dices. Honestly, you can use any vegetable that you like and chop it up into pieces and toss it in your salad, and it will taste absolutely delicious. Now I'm going to chop up some spinach. Now I'm going to open up an avocado and remove the pit and chop it up into a little bit bigger pieces than the other ones. In a big bowl, now I'm going to prepare the salad. So first up, I'm just going to add the avocado. And now I'm going to add in the carrot, cucumber, and spinach. I also have some beans that I cooked earlier, and now I'm just going to add it in with the salad. It gives great protein and it's so delicious. For cheese, I'm using this creamy feta from Galaxy, and I'm going to chop it up into pieces. This is so delicious. You can use any type of cheese that you like. Now I'm going to add the feta to the salad. Add some pepper, some olive oil. I'm using this extra virgin olive oil. And squeeze in some lemon juice. Look at how nutritious it looks. We're almost done. You just need to mix it all up so every bite has all of the ingredients and you are good to go. Now I'm going to serve it into a serving bowl. To top it all off, this is the best ingredients. I'm going to add the Nando's Peri Peri mayonnaise sauce. And here you have it, the salad all done. It is super duper delicious and the sauce is a must.